Hello friends, welcome to Physics Life channel. Today we are going to study K-map don't care condition. Don't care condition can be represented by X or rho of phi. It is mainly used in counter designs. The number of universal gates are reduced by using don't care condition. In K-maps, don't care condition it is used to make large groups. Don't care condition can be assumed as 0 or 1 based on our requirement. Here by using don't care conditions we can simply construct the counters. We can simplify the outputs of K-map. We know that we consider a K-map like this. Two inputs are there. So one is here and one is here. So the output will be A bar B bar plus AB without don't care condition. With the don't care condition we can pair it and we can use here as 1. So we can make it as a pair. So we can represent the output as A bar plus B. So we can construct with the minimum number of gates with using don't care. Without using don't care it is difficult. So it is useful in counter designs. Given K-map, find the minimized expressions. So here 3 input K-map is given and the outputs are like this. So we have to find the output for this with the condition which using the don't care. So don't care is represented by X. So we can represent it as a 1 here. So we can use this don't care in this quad. So also one pair and here also pair, but after grouping we know that don't care it is not useful here, that is redundant group. Redundant group means in which no one is free, that is the ones are used by other groups. So the quad is in a redundant group, so only pair, two pairs are there. This pair is represented by A bar and B bar plus this pair is represented by A into B, that is AB. So A bar B bar plus AB. Consider this question. Here X represents the don't care and we find the output by, here we know that we can use the don't care to increase the size of the groups. So by using these don't care conditions we can make here as a quad and here a pair and here also a pair. Okay, so from that quad we know that A is changing, B is changing, so C is for quad and for first pair that is A bar B bar plus here it is AB. So A bar B bar plus C plus AB is the answer for this K-map. Don't care conditions which is simplify the output with the minimum number of gates. Here we consider this question in which the question is like this. We have to draw K-map for this. We know the mathematical representation of sum of products like this, and the cell represents 5 and 6 represents 1, and here the D represents the don't care condition. So 1, 2, 4 cells represents the don't care condition. So we just represent the K-map diagram. So we know that 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6 are the numbers for each cell. So 5, 6 represent 1, 1, 2, 4 represents the don't care condition, and we can pair by using don't care condition. So here is a pair, here also, here a pair. Want the don't care condition to large the group, it is useful or it is not useful. So we can either make a pair like this or like this. So we get here two answers, that is here 4 useful, 4, 5 pair is used in this output, means that A and B bar plus B C bar as the answer, or this pair is used here in this output, that means answer is B bar C plus B C bar. Okay, so we can get here two answers. From that if it useful don't care condition, we can select that, or it is not useful, we can neglect it. Consider this question in which for the given K-map find the minimized expressions. So we can use here these don't care condition to make a corner quads. So we can use 1 x x x for quad. So we get this quad as b bar d bar. And here we can make a pair, and also here also a pair. Okay. So we get that a bar b c bar, a bar b c bar, and a b c. For this K-map, if after this answer we know that here we neglect two don't care condition, we didn't want that, we only uses only three don't care condition for this grouping. We know that the don't care condition is used to enlarge the group and simplify the answer. So here these two don't care condition is not useful for this answer, so we just neglect the don't care condition. If it is 1, we can make the output, but the don't care condition can be either taken as a 0 or taken as a 1. If it is useful, you can select it or it neglect. Okay. Consider this question in which f of ABCD summation over m 0, 2, 5, 9, 15 plus summation over d 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 30. Okay. From that we know that it is a 4 input K-map. Just draw the K-map diagram for in which we know that the mathematical representation of this each cell, that is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. These numbers represents the decimal numbers for corresponding each cell. And we get the representation, and which we represent the ones for 0, 2, 5, 9, 15 cells, and 7, 8, 10, 12, 13 for x. That means don't care condition is that. And we can make these edge ones for a quad, and also here is a quad, and here also a quad, and here a free don't care, we can neglect it. Okay. We can make a pair for this, and here also a pair, but we didn't use here because we know that as much largest group it is more preferable, so we use as a quad, and the answer as b bar d bar plus ac bar plus bd. Bar represents the output of corner quad, and this ac bar, and here it is represents the bd. Consider this question f of ABCD is equal to summation over m 0, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus summation over d 4, 50. We represent the diagram, and we know the decimal value corresponding to each cell, and we can represent the numbers and don't care condition. After that we can represent, first we didn't pair this 1 and x, we just check about the all corners, we get all ones, so we can make it as a quad, and here also 4 ones, that is quad. Here we can use this don't care for this quad, and here also a pair. We didn't use this don't care because a 3 element group is not possible. Okay, so we get the answer as the corner group as b bar d bar, and this group, this quad as a b bar, and this quad as cd, and this pair as a bar bd. Okay. Consider this question, the simplified expression for the Boolean expression f of a comma f of abcd is equal to summation over 5, 6, 11, 12 d of abcd is equal to 0, 1, 2, 9, 10, 14, 15. Okay. We can represent the ones and don't care in the K-map diagram, and we can make, so we get here x, x, x. Here there is no element, so we didn't get a corner. quad, and here we can make here is a 1 and 3 don't care condition, so we can make a here also a quad. We can make we get a pair. Here we have a 1, we can make a group with the folding the K-map, so we get a pair like here. So for this K-map we get the answer as, for this quad CD bar, for this quad AC, and for this pair ABD bar, and for this pair A bar C bar D. So we get the answer as this. But here in the output as sum of products, in the question they are asking to find the answer in product of sum method. How to change the sum of products to product of sum? Letter changes to letter bar. Dot means product is changes to addition. Addition is changes to product. That is the method using to change or convert a sum of product to a product of sum. That means here C is changes to C bar, product is changes to plus, D bar is changes to D, plus is changes to dot. Like we can complete the expression. So we get the answer as product of sum. Okay. Thank you for watching.